Hey guys, my name is Kai and in this video you can see how to make a beautiful opal ring with quite simple tools. This ring is for my very good friend Alina. She is loving bees and I've already cut the perfect stone for her. This is my first custom order, so I want to create something very special for her. I'm a beginner, but I've already made a few beautiful rings for my lady. She's very pleased, but now I'm trying my hand at something more complicated. Okay, here we go, enjoy the video. First, let's have a look what we need. Shelf boards, a ceramic base, a bench pad, saw blades, a saw, a scissor, a charcoal block holder and a charcoal block, a brass tweezers, pickle, flux, a candle holder, a torch, some solder, this magic stick, oh yeah baby, this big boy, a rubber hammer, this thing to hold rings, a mandrel, some trashy tools from Amazon, some files, emery paper, the cat of course. Hello Mr. Curious. And some silver for sure. And guys, don't buy your tools from Amazon, most of them are pretty useless. That's why I had to buy better tools like these files and this cool hammer. So let's get all this shit together. Don't screw the bench peg, better nail it. Don't nail the bench peg, better screw it.
Scheiße, ey.
Oh, you naughty boy. Oh, here is the best thing. Combine a wire and a plastic sleeve to save your silver dust. Abracadabra, let's go silversmithing. He's not in a mood. If you haven't noticed, I am an idiot. This video contains little serious information. That's why I've put some safety instructions in the video description. There you will also find hints and tips about everything I do here. From now on, I try to keep my mouth shut. Most of the time. boy, he loves it! Oh yeah, this opal looks way better with a black background. Let's cut just a small piece out of this tea package. I'm pretty sure Mabey won't notice.
Oh Mann ey. Oh nee ey. Oh Mann. Das ist so scheiße ey. Oh. Easy. Easy. Easy going. Aber perfekt.
Guys, at this point, thank you so much for all your great support. Your subscriptions, comments, likes and clicks on my videos mean a lot to me. And if you enjoy this video, please subscribe to the channel or leave me a feedback in the comments. That would be awesome.